So if you are driving your vehicle and you have a P0300 code, it means that you're actively misfiring, that it's a random cylinder misfire. So it doesn't mean that like one cylinder specifically is misfiring. It means that there's just an overall misfire on your vehicle. And so a lot of times it's gonna be something simpler, spark plugs, potentially a coil, maybe wires, who knows. But the main things you need to be cautious of, that's a code that you need immediate attention on. That's not something that you just roll with it and hey, everything is good. If you have a misfire code, that needs immediate attention. And the other thing that you need to make sure you're aware of is your check engine light solid or is it flashing? Because if it's starting to flash, you're going past the point of, hey, this is simple. You're getting to the point where active damage is happening.